So, this is the story of SLEEPYSAURUS REX from my paper sculpture book, PAPERCUTTABLES. In a world filled with constant hustle and bustle, SLEEPYSAURUS REX is a great friend to have around to inspire you to give your brain a rest. He's the perfect companion to constantly remind you to take a break from your busy day by reading a brand new book before settling in for a well-deserved snooze. Unless his constant snoring keeps you awake.